doesn't take any action. Parents doesn't take any action. Auto rickshaw full of 13 students, 14 students, 15 students. Even after that incident that happened where that van got capsized and then fell down and three small children died, no action. Police is totally inactive. ಇಂಥದ್ದೇನಾರು ಆದಾಗ 2 ದಿನ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಶಿಲ್ಪೆ ಹೊಡೆದು ಅದ್ ನಿಲ್ಸು ಅಂತ ಆಮೇಲೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಲಾಬಿ. Majority of the school are run by the so and so. So they manage, you don't look into. Go to that Mysore Road flyover. Every auto rickshaw has got 10 people. Every auto rickshaw has got 10 people. It is not applicable because the Mysore Road flyover till up to the market from Gauripalya is in Pakistan, not in India. This is the reality. This is the reality. ನೀವು ಎಂತ